Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install Facebook on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's begin! First, you want to head into your Play Store. Note that you do need to be signed in into a Google account to do it. If you don't know how to add a Google account, you can always watch our tutorial on that specific topic. Anyway, you want to then go into search. Click search bar and simply start typing in Facebook. Now, at the top, you don't probably want to ignore whatever is in the sponsored area, since usually it is not what you're looking for. And as you can see here, we have Facebook. Make sure that it's the official one from Meta platforms, and then you want to simply hit install. And after Facebook is installed, we should be able to just open it, log in, and beautifully waste our time. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.